Tired of dealing with unwanted hair but not sure which waxing method is best? Sugar waxing and Brazilian waxing are two of the most popular choices, but which one is right for you? Let's break it down and find out. Have you tried sugar or Brazilian waxing? Comment below. Choosing a hair removal method can be overwhelming. Sugar waxing and Brazilian waxing both promise smooth skin, but they work in very different ways. In this video, we'll compare them side by side. Pain levels, cost, longevity, and skin sensitivity. Let's get started. Sugar waxing isn't new. It's been used for centuries. Made from simple, natural ingredients, sugar wax is known for being gentle on the skin. Unlike traditional wax, sugar wax only sticks to hair, not your skin. That means less irritation and a less painful experience. Plus, it naturally exfoliates, leaving your skin extra smooth. Super less pain plus exfoliation equals sign a win for sensitive skin. Brazilian waxing is a go-to for those who want ultra-smooth results. It removes all pubic hair using hot wax, and the results last for weeks. Because Brazilian wax adheres to both hair and skin, it can be more painful, especially if you're new to waxing. But the upside? It removes even the shortest hairs and you'll stay hair-free for longer. Super long-lasting results, but more intense pain. Is it worth it? Let's compare them side by side. Super. Which factor matters most to you? Let us know in the comments. So, which waxing method is your winner? If you want a more natural, gentle option, sugar waxing might be perfect for you. But if you prefer long-lasting results and don't mind a little discomfort, Brazilian waxing could be the way to go. Super! Which one would you choose? Comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more beauty and skincare tips.